Hello there mga friends. So now we will try to install different types of RAM. A 266 MHz and a 2400 MHz. So we have here the HyperX Fury. So we have here this one is the 8 gigabytes RAM, and this one is the 4 gigabytes RAM. So the 4 gigabytes RAM is a 2400 megahertz, and this one is a 2666 megahertz, the 8 gigabytes one. So now let us try to start the computer. So now let's try to go to start, and let's go to properties. Oh, what we have there, we got 12 gigabytes RAM. So it is still working with different types of speed of RAM. So try to check sa kanyang process. Now let's go to the performance, and what we have here. So we have a 9 gigabytes, and the speed that kanyang kayang basahin is only 2400 megahertz. So okay, there it works. Check it out. So okay na kayo dun. So they said that two different types of speed of RAM, only one will work. But in my observation, what matter is the capacity of your motherboard. So for example, if your motherboard only has the with only 24 megahertz, 2400 megahertz, even you're using 266, then it will only max to 2400 megahertz. So it's okay if you have two different RAMs, two different speed. So okay lang po siya. Okay, so now let's start to check this on our CPU Z application. If ito po yung sa slot 1. So this is the DDR426. Ang nagamit lang po niya na speed is only 1333 MHz. So hindi niya na fully use yung 2666. So the DDR4 266 is not fully used, only the 1333 MHz is used. Now let's try to check this slot number 2. On slot number 2 we have the DDR4 2400, and which is only the 1200 MHz speed can only be read. So they were both divided so that it was also based on the capacity of your motherboard. So that's what I think. I don't know, so correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I have observed. So that's my conclusions. Anyway, that doesn't matter as long as you have that amount of RAM, then you're good to go. So we have here the 9 gigabytes available and 2 gigabytes were used. Now let's try to play some heavy games. What do we have here? The home front. may natirang 8 gigabytes. So we have still remaining 8.0 gigabytes RAM and 3.7 gigabytes of RAM were used on that game only. So now let's try to open. Let's try to open another game. I don't have any other game here. Let's try this one. It's Need for Speed. So we have here 4.4. We have remaining 7. Let's try to open another game. Not really any other games here anymore. What else? What games do I have here? But let's try to open a Photoshop. So this is a large file format of Photoshop. This is a tarpaulin printing of my baby, my son, when she was on his first birthday. Let's try to check the RAM. So we now have 6 GB use, so we still have available 5.1. So amazing. Let's try to open this game. So smooth na smooth pa rin. Still smooth.
Brady, it's Ned. Thanks for what you did.
So smooth na smooth pa rin siya.
Only silver lining is this lead on Walker. Andy's guys saw where the Norks were taking him, and our spotters just reported some of them aren't dead. Norks captured them and have taken them to Earlston Yellow Zone. We have to try and rescue them to find out where Walker's being held. Okay, I'm heading to Earlston now. Can you come meet me? You strike me as a man who gets results. I'm marking the tunnel location.
Now let's try to play another game. So this is the home front and this is the right front. Okay. Don't want this. Kaya yun. I have 3 apps used here, heavy apps. We have the home front, the Revolution, the Need for Speed Most Wanted, and the Adobe Photoshop. Kita ko sa kung gano'ng kalaking size ito. Image size. So kita nyo naman, image size, diba? Yung height. So which means this is a very large Photoshop for my tarpaulin printing. So kung 4GB lang yung RAM ko, alas 8.5GB yung nagamit ko. So hindi sapat talaga yung 4GB kung gusto mo na maraming apps na gagamitin. So I only have 3.4GB available out of my 12GB RAM. Tapos siya ulit, tignan po natin ulit si 12GB of RAM. Ayan po, para makita nyo 12GB of RAM. Okay na po tayo doon. So huwag kayo bumili ng RAM kung anong klase man yan, kung anong speed man yan, as long as it is compatible with your motherboard. For example, DDR3 slot, so only DDR3 RAM. If DDR4, then you should also use DDR4 RAM. So ayan, by the way, I'm using the HyperX Fury DDR4. Signing out, bye. So if you have any requests or questions about technology or whatever stuff, just comment below. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.